Okay, now when it comes to sipping, would you consider yourself a heavy sipper?
Shit, I was a heavy sipper to that act left. You know what I'm saying? I used to drink all day, every day. But nowadays, hell no.
Is act really gone?
Where's it?
Why do people say they have act?
They be just lying. They just be lying.
I see people on Instagram say,
I mean, don't get it twisted. It's some niggas that be having it. It's there. It's somewhere. You know what I'm saying? It can be found for the right price. But I don't be trusting these niggas hitting everything.
Now, how long were you sipping for? Heavily?
I was sipping drink shit. So I was like 14. From 14 all the way to probably like 20, 21, it was heavy.
So a good 5-6 years. Do you remember your first sip?
Yeah, I remember I got my pistol stole that night. I was 14. Yeah, when my partner stole my gun when I went to sleep. I fell asleep, he stole the pistol.
Because you fell asleep from the sip?
Right. Nah, I fell asleep from the whole little drink or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. And I would knock the fuck out, he stole it.
That's a bad experience.
Yep.
Now, what does sipping do for you exactly?
Shit. Make everything just run smooth. Everything be cool, cordial.
Now, I've seen some rappers on social media do some strange things with cough syrup. I saw 21 Savage pour some on his waffles. I saw Young Thug pour some on an ice cream cone.
Yeah.
And I had an interview with somebody, and we were talking about sipping, and he was a heavy sipper. And he said one time he had poured cough syrup into a bottle of Ace of Spades.
Yeah.
What's the strangest thing you've seen somebody do with cough syrup? Or maybe you have, personally.
I mean, shit, me personally, the most I do to it is just put it around a blunt and then put some more weed on it. You know what I'm saying? It'd be crazy like that.
Now, when you were sipping heavily for like those 5-6 years, would you say you were addicted to it?
Yeah, I was addicted like a motherfucker.
Did you ever have times where you tried to quit?
Nah, I wasn't trying to quit at all.
So when Act was off the market, that pretty much slowed you down on it?
Yeah, when Act went out the market, I got out the way.
I see.
Period, point blank. I just came back. I just started back sipping red. You know, so I wouldn't even sip red because I was still having Act and shit. I still could find it. But shit, I let that shit go.
Do you notice a difference?
And what?
Like from sipping Act and sipping red? Is there a difference?
I mean, you get the same outcome, but that Act just, it's something about that Act. When you tasting that Act, you just keep tasting it.
Did anyone ever try to stop you from sipping? Like, anybody ever tried to, hey man, you're doing too much?
Nah. If anything, they're going to be asking for something.
What about health issues? I know some people have health issues. They have weight issues. They have dental issues. Did you ever face those issues?
Nah, not for no drink.
And I mean, obviously with people like DJ Screw and Pimp C and their deaths, cough syrup and associations of cough syrup always come up. Did you ever experience someone dying from cough syrup overdose or
Nah, I don't know nobody
effects
died
of cough syrup?
I mean, I done had people pass out and shit like that, but other than that, nah. That's about it. Not no scary shit that make me want to stop.
Now, sipping can be a very expensive habit.
Most definitely.
In those 5-6 years of heavily sipping, how much do you think you probably spent on cough syrup? Personal use.
Hey, I don't know. That's a trick question.
Have you ever thought, like, have you ever, like, sat down and just calculated, man, with all that money I spent sipping, I could have taken that money and bought real estate or a whip or...
Oh, yeah, I always think of shit like that, but I don't know how much it was. I know it was too much. I could have sold it all. If that's the case, yeah, I could have sold it all.
Was it worth it? Was sipping heavily those 5-6 years, was it worth it?
I mean, shit, I could have went without it. You know what I'm saying? I most definitely could have went without it, but It was worth it though. Yeah, it was worth it. It was cool.